Hi friends, this is Rohan from RKB Training Academy. Friends, in today's video, I will show you how to add two numbers in Python. First, I will start Python in the system, start all programs, then Python 3.7, then IDLE. Herefrom, I will start a new file, then new file, and I will save the file with the proper name in desktop. File and the save, then choose the location in desktop. You can also choose any other location of your choice. Give a proper name, add number. Save as type is Python files by default, then save. So since we are going to add two numbers, so first I will take a variable a. In that variable I will store the value by taking it from the user. Equal to, first I will start the function, and within int function I will start the input function. Input function will take the value from the user during runtime, and int function will convert that input value into an integer. So I will throw a message, enter number, or you can also write enter first number. And first I will close the input function, then I will close the int function. Since we are going to add two numbers, I will copy paste the same coding, and I will change the variable name here b, and I will also change the message as enter second number. And finally I will print the value, print the result is, I will concatenate the result, the summation, with that message using comma. I will mention a plus b. So save, and finally I will run the program. Enter first number 12, the result is 24. Again, if I want to run and with some different input, suppose 90, 77, and it will return 167. So now friends, I will do an experiment by not including the int function. What will happen if I don't include the int function? Actually, if I exclude the int function, it will concatenate the two inputs. Let's run and check the result. Suppose I enter 34 and 34, and you can see instead of displaying 68, the result is 34. So I will correct the procedure by including the int function. Int function is converting the input string into a number. Run. Suppose 23 and 89, and it will return 112. So friends, this is that's all for today, and in this way we can add two numbers in Python. And for that we have used input function and int function to convert that input values into integer. So that's for all for today. Please, if you have any query related to this video, don't hesitate to comment. And if you like those videos, please subscribe our channel, like our videos, and share our videos. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.